Now we're getting a story from Hyderabad, which now some parts of it surely are seeing a facelift because it's gearing up for a Global Entrepreneur Summit, which is to be attended by the United States President Donald Trump's daughter and a White House advisor, Ivanka Trump. Now, while the state government is finally laying brand new roads and sprucing up various parts of the city, the timing of officials getting to work is raising eyebrows because citizens have been complaining of civic issues. They've been bringing to light the state of the roads, the potholes, but yes, the city and a few parts of it surely are now getting a facelift because of Ivanka Trump's visit. Now, this event that we're talking about will also be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several prominent personalities. State authorities are surely bending over backwards, trying to give the city a makeover of sorts over the next 2 weeks. But once again, it's a reflection of the priorities of the state. When the citizen complains, when the citizen suffers, there's nothing the state does. But now when it's about a mega event, when it's about the reputation of the state before global dignitaries, look at how state authorities are bending over backwards to make sure that at least parts of the city look good. And we know that Ivanka Trump will be attending this Global Entrepreneur Summit, and Krishnamurthy is bringing us details of that story. He'll be joining us live in a while, but yes, those are pictures we're getting to you from Hyderabad, and there you can see Charminar and the area around it that's getting a complete facelift. There's renovation work going on, and authorities in the city are working overtime to make sure that the roads look beautiful and the city gets a makeover, at least parts of the city that will be visited by dignitaries. Now, let's also tell you about this summit that will be, or this event that will be taking place in Hyderabad in a few days from now, that will be attended by the United States President Donald Trump's daughter and a White House advisor, Ivanka Trump. Now, the state government is laying brand new roads around the Charminar area. They're sprucing up various parts of the city, trying to make it look good, but it's the timing, and that is being questioned. We have Krishnamurthy joining us live. Krishna, we know that citizens of Hyderabad have been complaining about potholes and several other civic issues. For all this while, nobody has paid heed to their concerns. But right now, because of the summit or because of the visit of global dignitaries, the Telangana government seems to be going out of its way to make sure that at least parts of the city that these dignitaries will be visiting look good. Isn't that the case?
Well, let me begin by saying that the Global Entrepreneurship Summit, which is the brainchild of former US President Barack Obama, and this time the event is being staged for the first time in Southeast Asia, and Hyderabad is the venue for it. Several key dignitaries are expected to attend the event, one of them being Ivanka Trump, who will be leading the US delegation, and Prime Minister Modi is expected to inaugurate the event. So now the Telangana government, in fact, is on an overdrive to ensure that all the civic amenities, in fact, with the civic amenities being refurbished, the entire city is being given a fresh look, just to ensure that big events, when big dignitaries come to this city, they'll actually have a very good impression of the city. Now, if we talk about the key initiatives that are being taken up, one is the Charminar pedestrian project. Now, all the roads near Charminar is being cobbled up, and this project, in fact, was initiated right in 1995. It's been over 2 decades, and after which, right now, only when Ivanka Trump, when it was ensured, when the news came about that she would be visiting Charminar, the entire place is being decked up. Right. Now, if you see right now, I'm standing on an arterial road where Ivanka Trump is expected to pass, and this is one of the key roads. What you can see that all the dividers, in fact, is being given a fresh coat of paint. In fact, now if you look here, this is the main road which will come, and all this road is being given a refurbishing. In fact, all these roads are pothole ridden only because of the recent rains, and now if you see, the roads are being given a fresh look, the roads are being laid. In fact, even the entire pedestrians also are being, the new tiles are being laid over the pedestrians. In fact, citizens, in fact, right now, if we look at it, they're actually mocking the Telangana government, saying that, in fact, on Twitter, they're tagging Ivanka Trump and then putting up their address and are saying that Ivanka needs to visit their place because they need a fresh roads in their area.